Hello and welcome to GeoKloud Academy. Terrain analysis in QGIS is powerful and free. Today we'll be using the processing toolbox to generate a slope map from a digital elevation model, which we've already clipped out. So let's get straight into the video. So to be able to bring up our processing toolbox, we can just go to our menu bar, processing and toolbox. Then by your right, it should have your toolbox that appears up. So what we'll just do, we can either search here and type in slope, or we can go through the raster terrain analysis. So with this same method, we can actually use that to derive the aspect, to derive hue shade, to derive slope. So we're working with slope. So it's very easy. Once I impute my area of interest, I can navigate to save it to a folder, but I'll be leaving mine as a template. So here we have our slope that we just generated. We can simply change the symbology for a more better outlook. Okay. So with this, we can tell places with low elevation. This is a water body most likely. We can tell places with high elevation using the gradients rather that we have. So with this, hope I've been able to assist you. If they have any questions, please drop them in the comment section. What mapping topics would you like us to cover next? Let us know in the comment below. And as always, if this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like and be sure to subscribe to GeoKloud Academy for more tips on creating impressive and effective maps. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy mapping.